only just now did he clock that I'd stopped. He was in his own little world, and this is what I say. Keep your eyes on the dog. Keep the focus. So they don't have to watch you all the time. They don't have to stay with you all the time. That's no fun for them or us. Ready? But do something a little bit different. And as you see, all I'm doing is stopping. That's it. Oh, good boy. Stopping, and look how much more attention they give. So now it's Jack. But as soon as he sees the treats, he'll come running. Didn't quite see it, too engrossed in the environment. Tucker, come. Sit. Good. Come. Blue, sit. Wait. Tucker, come. Good. Oh, yeah. Yay. So again, I've mixed it up. Normally, as you could see, I normally chuck it. But now, he wants it. He has to be with me. Good. Go. Free. Different things. Just be creative. Dogs don't care. Every day's a party for a dog.